In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Naruto Shippuden in English on Hulu, so you can enjoy this iconic anime series with ease. Let's get started. To watch Naruto Shippuden in English on Hulu, first ensure you have an active Hulu subscription. Open the Hulu app or visit hulu.com and log in to your account. Use the search bar to type Naruto Shippuden or browse the anime section to locate the series. Once you find it, select the show and look for episodes labeled as English dubbed. Hulu provides both subtitled and dubbed versions of many anime, so make sure you choose the English dub option for your preferred viewing experience. If Naruto Shippuden is not available on Hulu due to licensing changes, consider alternative platforms like Crunchyroll or Funimation, which also offer the series in English. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy watching Naruto Shippuden in English on Hulu.